Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover 3ds Max unsaved file. All right, so by default, when you go ahead over to File right here, Preference and Files, Auto Backup is enabled, okay, again by default. Now, if you mess this up, you unticked this option, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to see a backup of your file. So make sure that you enable this one and tweak the number of backup files as well as the backup interval, which is set by minutes, okay? So once that's done, you can go ahead and open up your file explorer. And then normally, your backups will be saved under a local disk C. Users right here, double click on your user profile, and then go ahead over to Documents and select the 3ds Max version. So for example, I have here 26 and 27. So just for 26, I have here Auto Back. You should be able to see this file folder as well. Auto Back. Here we have it. You could go ahead and view the date right here and the time. Another one, the latest version I have in here is 2027. Got to double click on it. And here we have Auto Back as well. All right. You can go ahead and open up the latest one from here. For example, I have this one saved. This one is the latest. Okay. I'm just going to double click on it and just wait for it to open. All right. That is how you recover a 3ds Max unsaved file. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.